What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making this black rice because you like the saffron rice so much, right? It's the same idea. Today I'm using sticky rice because it takes a little longer to cook. That's why I started already. I usually mix it, half black, half color rice, and then half white rice, and then let it cook to like almost no water. Then I mix it and then cook it again. I'm going to add the white rice to it. Mix it. I'm going to add more water. See, one good thing about the rice cooker, you don't need to tend to it. It will cook.
You don't ever burn the rice, Joyce?
Usually don't. Because if I have it on the stove, I cannot like go talk and okay, and then really cook. I'm going to take the rice out. Put it in here. Pretty, right?
Mm-hmm.
To loosen it a little bit. I'm going to put some cranberries. You can soak the cranberries, but I want it to be a little chewy.
Where'd you get the cranberries from?
The health store. You know, just rough chop. If it's the whole thing, it's okay. Caper. Little chop too. Something get chopped is okay.
That's true. It's all going in the same place, right?
Mix it first before I put the peanuts in it because I don't want the peanuts to become soggy. I don't put oil in it because the oil from the food.
Okay.
I don't think I'm going to chop the peanut. I'm being lazy. This is honey roasted peanut. Okay, I want to put some dill in it.
Picture time! So,